गव्हर्नर डिक्रेशनरी फंडावरवीं राज्यपाल PS श्रीधरन पिल्लाय कडच्यान 2,000 मायज कॅन्सर दुयेंतींक 25,000 रुपयाची मजत. आयज 160 जाणांक मजतीचो हात.
Somewhat almost entire amount is giving to patients, that cancer patient as well as dialysis patient, 25,000 rupees each giving. Now more than 2,000 people we are distributed. Today 160 patients are given. So in a way Rajbhavan is, always we are visiting the villages and giving it. Now that visit is over. That is why today 67 patients we have distributed, and others will be through Tahsildar in their houses it will reach. It's a wonderful scheme, because instead of coming Rajbhavan and giving application, nothing is there. The local MLA or responsible persons, they are giving the list and we are doing it.
मजगती राजभवनात काविकला कार्यशाळा दवरली. गोयची कला सांबाळूंक राज्यपालाचो यत्न.
Anyway, we will focus more and more on that field. Haveri Art Workshop reaches a wider art community in Goa. I am first of all thankful to the first people, because even Gandhi's Smriti Day and the ways were there. All are not proper attention was not given by first people due to their hectic activities. They have no time. But this time, when I visited the petroleum that area and declared this workshop, this endeavor, maximum importance is given by the government press. People are supreme, and we are all bound to work for the people. And that is why, protocol-wise, I am always a piloting person. Worker and our two persons, one is from Navy and other is from government police. In their inner mind, actually, they may consider me as a violator of this protocol. And he excuse me for that. We are all for people.
प्रुडंट खातीर रुपेश राऊत आणि चेतन गवस.